Hello everyone, today is a special day. Like, we are taking our adventurous little girl to her first ever train ride. She's super curious and full of energy, and we can't wait to see her explore something new. Let's see how this adventure goes. So right now we're just making videos while in the wait time while hubby get her ticket. Of course, if you have a child that is above 4 years, once the child is up to 5 years, she's expected to pay for her ticket. So my girl is getting her ticket.
Hello guys, I'm in this train station. Come and follow me, please. Thank you.
So finally got her ticket, and my baby took it person now. Like, she danced. Our little explorer want to get it right herself. This girl is full of wonders. So here they were just trying to teach her how to do it, and yes, she did it. Oh my god. So she did it and she got it.
Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for dear life. A terrible high. Needing use an irresistible light. You said you in the air is all that I needed not to die.
We got in and settled down. I was so excited for my girl because watching her happy makes me happy. So guys, if you want to go on a train and you really want to enjoy it, maybe you want to show your kids how this train works, just like I'm doing, I will advise you go in the afternoon, because then you will not really have a lot of people, because people will be in the marketplaces. A lot of people has gone to work, so it's just you and maybe a few other persons that wanted to just go out, you get. But if you go in the evening or in the morning, the crowd is alarming. So here my girl was chilling with my hubby, and you see, she's not a side chick, but it's well, we move.
Irresistible light. You said you in the air is all that I needed not to die. A terrible high. I don't know.
At this point, my baby is already glued to the window watching the world zoom by. This experience is just one of the many adventures we know she would have, and we are happy to share it with her.
Somehow I forget I don't need you and lose my breath. A terrible end. You keep tugging that invisible thread. If I hold you for
And that's a wrap on our little adventure today. Like, our baby girl had such a blast at the train station. It's safe to say this is just the beginning of many exciting journey to come.
Something toxic holding on to me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Needing using irresistible light. You said.
Thank you for joining us on this special day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I love you. Bye.